what do you think we can do to bring people together nowadays? We're here. We got all this bifurcation. We got people here on the left, people here on the right. We got people looking at differences. We got people not noticing maybe 90% of us is the same. Why are we focused on the differences, things that make us different? Like, what do you think we need to do today to bring people together?
Man, I love that question. And like you said earlier, we got to find some common causes that we're all in the same boat on, right? I think the pandemic is real good for that particular part of it, where it's like during the pandemic, I don't care if you're on the left or you're on the right. I don't care about your religion. We're all getting sick. We're all dying. What are we going to do about it as a whole, as the world, as a world pandemic? What are we going to do about it? I don't care where you are in the world. This thing is an airborne virus. It's attacking all of us. Not just one group. It's attacking all of us. What do we do about it? So I think we got to find more things to be on the same page about globally and as a nation, and focus on those more than the differences. And hopefully over time, through that, we're seeing like, you know what? We are more alike than different.